So what do you like about the Blizzard, Steve?
It's fast.
It's fast. Is it faster than a Funjet, would you say?
I reckon so.
Yeah.
That's power off completely. It will glide, but it doesn't really like it when you do fly it slow. It really wants to be moving.
Right.
If you remember from when we took the photographs for the article, it will drop a little bit. I'll call you a vertical in a minute. We'll go down, we'll pull past, and then I'll call you a vertical shot.
Okay.
Then,
Well, the camera's having trouble keeping up with it. It's very, very, very slippery, isn't it?
okay, and we're going vertical. And we're up to about 1,000 feet now, I think.
The prop acts as a brake, doesn't it?
It does, very much so. I did loosen off the actual grip on the prop in the hope that it might actually fold up, but I've not yet had it fold up.
Right. It's great fun just doing these climb and dives all day, isn't it?
And of course, being a glider configuration as such, it will fly around quite a bit with the throttle off.
Yeah.
A loop here. The ailerons are quite effective as well on this.
Yeah.
Try and see if we can get a 4 point.
Do you use the rudder much, being a V-tail?
I suppose I find myself using it because I'm used to flying aerobats, so
Yeah.
you almost do it automatically.
Do you need it? I mean, can you get away without it, or I suppose it doesn't really matter, does it?
No. So the ailerons are that effective.
What's the duration, Steve? How long do you find you?
Good.
You're on a 3S 2500 pack?
That's a 2100 in there.
2100 pack, right.
I've got the 25 to put in it yet.
Right.
But yeah, it's impressive. I mean, I've had some really long flights out of it.
Yeah.
This is how I test it. I see how the vertical still is. If it's still performing, then I'll let it carry on. The moment it stops pulling on the vertical is when I decide it's time to come in, really, with this.
Yeah. So, Multiplex have done it again, you reckon?
I think so. This is I really like this model. This is something that I was quite surprised with because I'm really not a glider fan. This.
I mean, I look at it, I don't think of it as a glider when I look at it.
No, I suppose you're sort of, I don't know, how can we put it? You see a long wingspan and a really thin fuselage, and I instantly think glider.
Yeah.
And a V-tail with a kick up on the end of the wings.
Yeah.
And you think glider automatically. But it really does go. It's really impressive.
I tend to think hotliners have carved out their own niche now, you know, and they're...
Yeah, I think they have.
But, good stuff.
Yeah, I enjoy it for a change. Very unlike me for me to enjoy a glider.
Not like you're enjoying a fast model, is it?
It's not a glider, it's a hotliner. But no, I love it.
Is it a squeeze under the hatch there, or?
It's a little on the tight side.
It's a bit
yes.
tight.
Let's pop the.
Right.
As you can see, there's not a lot of room for a battery in there.
No.
It has been built around the multiplex batteries, so.
Right.
I mean, width is the problem.
Yeah.
For the battery. I mean, that sits perfectly there. We can do some really silly stuff and it doesn't move, so suits me.
Yeah.
As luck would have it, I did have a multiplex battery anyway. Had I not done, I would have had to go out and buy new batteries.
Right.
And everything for the model. But
okay.
no, it's
these wing stiffeners here are significant, aren't they?
Yes.
Were they easy to put in?
Oh yeah, they're great to put in there.
Right, they're good, eh?
Yeah, they're good. If you read the review, you'll see that I did find the error of my ways after a conversation with the multiplex guys up at the Nationals.
Right.
Not the guys in the tents, but the actual guys out there flying the Blizzards.
Right.
And there was a pair on the electric during the electric slot were flying these. Unfortunately, I was flying at the same time, so I couldn't really take a lot of notice of what they were doing. But
right.
Needless to say, after that we've come home, flown the model, absolutely superb.
Yeah. Okay.
They did tell me the error of my ways with the installation of these, which if you, as I say, if you ever look at the article,
okay,
all will be explained.
The best way to do it.
Yes.
Okay, Steve.
I didn't have the best way to do it.
No, well you got them in the
You've got to
end.
live and learn, I suppose.
Yeah. It's a very stiff wing, isn't it?
Oh, it's superbly stiff, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good stuff.
Quite
so,
flexible, but
thumbs up for that one?
Yes, very much
Yeah.
so.
Okay.
Very much so. Great fun, actually.
Yeah. Excellent.
A real surprise to me because I didn't think I would like it.
No,
but
but
I
it's...
do like it.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Righto.
Right.
Thumbs up.
Brilliant, yeah. You want to go?